Ipswich High School Cardboard Boat Regatta. Last day of school, June 23rd. We got Karsten. Oh! This might end quick. Not off to a good start. Not off to a good start.
Carson, I was expecting a little more than that. You got Chris.
We got Ashton's ready to go.
Best boat is already in the water. Ready to go. Nice. I knew that just happened.
Let's go, Billy. Put the boat in.
Yeah.
Let's get going.
How do I do Wait, yes?
Too bad Duncan's not here. We could really
Nice.
do this.
Please, Duncan, do you please clear my, you're obstructing my path.
Sorry, man. Alright.
I was so confident.
Let's go, Dan. Get that boat in the water. We gotta get moving.
Yeah. Where do you want to put it in? Right over here? Get in?
Alright, yo, I'm gonna help you.
Ashton, you gotta wait.
You said I could go.
No, I didn't. No head starts. We'll give him a minute to get ready.
I got bets on Billy. He's not even like you.
I have bets on Ashton, honestly. You're probably saying that like
Cards. Look at it yet. We're not going yet. No, wait.
Can you move forward, Karsten, in that boat?
What?
Can you move forward?
I'm already halfway there. Oh, Billy. Don't move forward. Oh, Lord.
Alright, this is it, right? Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Maybe we will lose a boat.
Bill, I don't know how it's going to balance. Don't move so much. Good, right there.
It's so narrow.
Hey, can I go?
No?
Oh, I might just call it now. I don't want
This is awfully wobbly.
You'll make it.
All right, we ready? Okay, it's go time.
Go, Ashton.
Ashton's off to a head start.
I'm going out. Yeah, screw it. Can you do it without falling? Balance it on top.
Ashton's rolling. Karsten's having a tough time with stability over there. It's like he's got a fishing line hooked to him, too.
Yep.
Somebody tied him down. Uh-oh, Dan's backing up here.
Carson,
Trying to readjust himself.
did you throw out the hook, Carson? What? Never mind.
In case we have to pull him back.
Wait, Jake can't come with me this year?
No, you can't rescue somebody with two people in it.
Jump off and swim back.
No. You gotta be ready to rescue somebody. You're gonna have to put Karsten in that front seat.
Carson, balance!
Oh, Carson's picking it up here.
That's the way to try.
We got Will heading out in the rescue kayak. It's like Ashton's getting tired out there.
Billy's not.
Slowing down. We got Dan's picking it up.
Billy, you're not even moving!
Attaboy, Ashton!
Doing good. Let's go, Carson! Keep up the pace!
Uh-oh, Ashton's up. Uh-oh, it gets tippy when you do that.
Carson has a nice little,
It's got a rhythm going there, huh? Well, he's a sailor, right?
Yeah, he is.
So he's used to this stuff. We get Kashivas is kind of going off course there a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think he knows what he's doing.
You have to go all the way to the other end?
All the way to the other side back. We got Karsten catching up.
Carson, balance! Wobbly.
And we got Dan's kind of staying in the back with Billy.
I wish I could go fishing right now. Billy's gonna fall. Carson!
Still got Ashton in the lead. Uh-oh, Billy's taking a break.
Carson, is there water in the boat?
Billy's taking a break.
Carson just got water in the boat.
Dan's getting tired too. Ashton's still in the lead.
Yeah.
Billy's barely moving.
Man, Duncan is.
All right, we got progress has slowed, but once they turn around, they'll have the wind behind them. We got Ashton still in the lead. It's like Karsten in second, Dan in third, and Billy's struggling.
Yeah, Billy's not really sure where he wants to be.
Looks like the hopes of Moriarty repeating are fading into the distance. Will's giving Dan instructions out there, his partner.
Oh, Carson almost
He's
just went
yelling
down.
at Carson. He's taunting Carson. That's what he's doing. He's not talking to Dan at all.
I was about to say, Carson almost just took on some water right there.
Will!
He leaned
Will!
too far to the left.
Ooh, they got a big wind against them right now.
Man, Ashton's putting in work.
It's gonna be easy coming back though.
Oh yeah. Well, we do kind of have the heaviest boat though, so you never really know. When some of those lighter boats could get pushed easier.
Yeah, it looks like Will is taunting Karsten out there.
Yep, definitely.
Might have to replay that and see if it's a personal foul.
Yeah.
Flagrant one. It's Kashivas out there. Paddling like a rookie.
Yeah, I think it's the position he's sitting in. Leaning back too far. Putting too much weight back in the boat.
Ashton's almost there. Who's catching up? Is that Karsten catching up?
Nah, I don't really know there. I mean, yes, I think
Yeah,
it's
it looks like
that's a
Karsten
little
catching
ahead
up.
than Dan. Dan's kind of leaning back.
It's going to be the return trip. It's going to decide it.
Billy's not even like paddling. It's just sticking. You're not getting the full like swings. You know what I mean? It's just like dipping up in.
Yeah.
Billy went in. We're sending the rescue. Meanwhile, Ashton has turned around. Looks like Karsten's on his way back. Got Will Wallace out there doing the rescue. Gonna have a wet mess of cardboard.
Was this the first one on the
That's a bad place to flip. Uh-oh, looks like Karsten is pulled into the lead. He's got that rowing technique down. Dan hasn't made the opposite side yet. We got Will towing Billy back.
Car stay balanced!
Karsten's rolling. Ashton's struggling. Arms are getting tired. He's taking a little rest out there.
We'll see who's boat's prior. Oh. Yeah, because I don't think Carson's took on quite a bit of water.
Yeah, that was before they even put it in, though.
Does that matter? How the boat is after?
I think they'll both be similar, probably.
Yeah, I bet our boat definitely took
We got Billy rescued. And we get his soggy boat coming back. Looks like Dan Leff has made the back end. It's on his way back.
Get out of Carson's way!
Yeah, we gotta keep an eye out for interference here by Will Wallace. Hey, Will! Get away from him!
He asked us to look.
Oh. Asked us to look for what? Got Ashton still chugging up.
To look what, Will?
Come on, big ass!
Waiting for Karsten to make a mistake so they can overtake him.
Karsten, balance!
Uh-oh!
Come on, Ashton, keep chugging.
Carson's getting low in the water there.
Any false movement, you're gonna be done.
Looks like he's taking on water.
Will!
Uh-oh! I don't know if he's gonna make it.
I may need your help.
We may need a second rescue.
Come on, Ashton.
Carson, you're right there. Power through.
It's so bad the floor has rolled into his knees.
Carson, just power through. Look how close you are. You can't make
Got
any
Ashton
movement.
catching up.
Come on, Ashton, just keep on.
The big finish.
You're a wrestler. You do this.
Go, Ashton.
Come on, Carson. Come on, Carson. You got it. Can't stop rowing. Don't stop. That's the only way you can stay above the water. You're a wrestler. You do this.
Come on, Ashton.
Carson, he's beating you.
Go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, Ash.
Can I think my name on that trophy?
I think it actually is.
It looks like Carson's going under.
Carson, Flintstone, if not, kick the floorboard out and walk in with it.
Carson, you
Looks
will
like
get out of his way.
Ashton's the winner. A big come from behind victory.
Hey, at least he made it. This guy's a real winner.
He's gonna make it. Oh no, he didn't make it.
No.
So close. So close.
I'm not down yet. Keep on going, Carson.
So close.
Don't accept defeat.
That was a workout.
30-yard head start. Yeah, that's true. So it was equal to
Boat's in pretty good shape. It's got a little crack in the side.
Yeah, it cracked on both sides, right where my knees were.
She held up, though. You know?
For dryness.
Can't ask for much
Yeah?
more.
You think Dan's is going to be the driest? There it is. The Aquaholic. They were coming to rescue Karsten.
The alcoholic goes down.
That's all that's left. Here comes Dan Leff.
It's my legs.
Your legs gave out, huh?
Is there any water in that boat?
Dan Leff. Boat's looking good.
We didn't sink. No, we did. You didn't come in first.
One, I thought it was how much water you had.
What?
It's what place?
No.
Combination of the best boat, best team,
Best time.
the whole.
If you were closer, that would have been the judge, but it wasn't close.
Yeah, but Ashton started head start.
Yeah, but not by that.
Oh my goodness, the excuses are flying. Look at that. Look how nice that boat still
Literally
looks.
have no water. I
We're
think
gonna
that
have
deserves first.
We're going to save that one. Sorry.
Nah.
You're second.
Second's the first loser,
Ashton
boys.
and Dylan.